Hey all, my name is Alexis Dufresne, I'm the founder of Faveo.com. Welcome to this second video where I'm going to introduce you to some really exciting features of Faveo. We've been working really hard in the last few weeks to be able to get these features to you guys on the first beta test. Today I'm going to specifically talk about the integration that we've built between the Semantic Web and the Twitter API. So we're using Semantic Web to automatically tag every content on the site, and we're using also these tags to actually query Twitter to get precise real-time information from Twitter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you some examples right now. So as you can see here on the front page, we have several tags organized by categories. So we have, for example, the latest the companies mentioned in the news. As you can see on this tab, we have the latest companies that have been mentioned in the last 24 hours on the web. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Google to get a list of all the content that mentions Google in the last few days. So as you can see here on the left, we have all the content that mentions Google, and on the right we have the latest tweets as well that mentions Google. But the really interesting thing is when we start using the actual semantic tagging to make a filtering of the information. So now I'm looking at all the content that mentions Google, and here I have a choice of tags that I can filter on to get more precise information. So let's just click on smartphones so I can get information about Google and smartphones. Now as you can see, I'm on a page that filters information for these two tags. And I have content on the left, of course, which mention those tags. And on the right, I have the latest tweets that also mention those tags. So as you can see, I have tabs now. So I have the latest tweets in the real-time web about Google. I have also the latest tweets that mention the smartphones tag. But if I click on all, and this is really interesting, now I can see the tweets that mention both tags in the same tweet. So I have the smartphones indeed, and Google as well. So this is a really powerful way to get deeper in the information by using the faceted tag filtering and then accessing directly the real-time web information about those specific keywords. So a last example I'm going to show you now is if I go to an actual article. As you can see here, I can pass my mouse on the title to get a little more information about this article, and I can see the tags that have been applied to this article. I'm just going to go ahead and click on read more to go to the actual page of this article on Faveo. So as you can see, this article has a couple of tags applied to it, and the Twitter box again refreshed itself and offers now new tabs that are taken from the tags that have been applied automatically to this article. So as you can see, I have the latest tweets for the smartphones tag. If I click here, I have the latest tweets for the Android tag. Here again, I have the latest tweets about Google from the real-time web. But if I click on all, then I have a really interesting selection of tweets that actually mention those three tags combined. So those three tags have been taken from the article, and now we can access the Twitter API to get real-time information about these tags. So that's it. I hope you guys really like this feature, because we think it's pretty cool and it's a really convenient way to access real-time information in a more organized way. So let us know if you have any comments, of course, and if you want to try out Faveo, please log into the home page and leave your email address, and then we can send you a beta test invitation. We're still on beta for a couple of weeks. Just come into the homepage, leave us your email address, and we'll send you an invitation to try out the site with us. Thank you for your time, and have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.